What's going on, Bala Squad? We are here today on the channel. Got a special video for you guys today. Today we're going to be doing some Doordash on the 2023 RZ today. And if you guys like this video, you think you guys like this type of content, make sure you leave this video a huge like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Shout out to my dog in the comments the other day. He had a tip. He said, hold the brakes, turn it on, hold the brakes for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. Release the brakes, turn it off. Turn it back on for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 8. Turn it back off. And then he said it should be unlocked in that sense. It's either going to explode my bike or maybe I just did it wrong. So let's take a look, y'all. I wanted to try something special for you guys today, so make sure you guys leave a huge like. Bala Squad, I want to see you guys in the comments. And if you're new here to the channel, definitely think about subscribing. We're on the road to 1K right now, and you guys liking these videos, subscribing is a way to let the algorithm know we are here. Spring Creek Barbecue. I personally never had this before. We have arrived. It said the pickup was by 7:23, so I'm gonna give it a couple minutes. This type of order is something that I usually probably would not take, but I wanted to get some different type of content for you guys today. So make sure you guys leave a like on this video and subscribe. It doesn't look like there's any drinks on this order, so that's good. Ugh. Just gonna leave the bag right there. Make sure I take the keys. All right, you guys, we picked up Brian's order. Got himself some barbecue, no drink. So we should be pretty good. I'll put the hoodie over it so it's a little more secure. Well, let's shovel on out of here. All right, Brian, we're on our way to you. It's only gonna take me 15 minutes. I'll be right there, Brian. Come on now, y'all mutton it. This is your house. Definitely leave a like on this video. That's how you're going to show the algorithm that, you know, this type of video is something that you're going to want to see. And this type of driver is just someone you do not want to be behind. Hopefully on another day I can come back over here and show you guys this park. Is he here? All right, Brian K. Enjoy the barbecue. We're headed like towards the hot zone now. which is good. There's an 18-wheeler over there. Jeez. All right, you guys, we got ourselves a Five Guys order. We got ourselves some double trouble, actually. We got ourselves a Five Guys order, and we're gonna pick up some free burrito. It said just an additional 1.9 miles. So in total, it should not be too crazy. I'm just gonna squeeze my way in here, y'all. For sure, for sure. How far down am I going? Ooh, I can get over? Thank you, thank you. Oh. Woo. Woo, child. Like I said, so we got one order from Five Guys, one order from Freebird, 2 drop-offs, 1 fire YouTube channel that you're in love with now. All right, it says I'm near Five Guys. One's free burrito, one's Five Guys. So if you guys see either of them, just let me know, okay? Maybe I'm just being blind. Oh, okay, Five Guys is right here. So let's pick up this Five Guys first, guys. You guys see what I did there? All right, James, we have retrieved your order. Now it's time to fly over to Freebird and see what they got for me. Oh, Freebird's like right over there. I was already at Freebird when you guys accepted. What? You guys should have told me that. I would have just stayed. All right, let's go pick up this Freebird real quick, do these 2 drop-offs, then we are good as gone. Yeah, this is Freebird. Whoa. I'm taking this parking spot. All right, I'm here at Freebird. Let's go get this order. All right, Austin, we have achieved. See what else is over here. I personally have just never been over here before. Ooh, Corvette. Sheesh. I got the car's eyes. Sorry, sir. Nothing going on. I'm sure my dash ends soon too, so let's just wait here a couple minutes, see what happens, and see if I can like either restart my dash. $8 for 8 miles. Let's see what Dash got. $5 for 11. I'll see. This one was $5 for 11. I'm gonna just let the time go on that one. Let's ride around here, y'all.